Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael Flomash Confectionery. I promise to show you guys how I made this crunchy and fluffy akara. First, I have my beans. You can use white or brown, but I used white beans. I soaked it. Salt, pepper, onion, water. I used 2 cups of beans here, and I got almost 50 pieces of akara, if not more. Yeah, so you are going to soak for like 30 minutes, or when you notice that the skin is peeling, you go and peel and wash. Look at it, very clean. Then we will blend, and this is me transferring to my blender. Please be careful, pick stones, make sure that there's no stones. Then add pepper as much as you can, or as you want, for those that doesn't like pepper. And onion, some doesn't also love onion, so but we will love onion in the house, so added lots and lots of onion. You can also, if you want to see the onion chunk, blend few, and when you are done blending, you add more onion. Then you see that I added small water, just small, so this doesn't need a lot of water. And I'll start blending it. Please cover your blender very well, like very very well. It's really important to cover it, because any small mistake, it will just split all over. Yeah, so I adjusted my camera to show you guys the body, because I figured you can see it from the top. So yeah, and then start blending. It's blending already, so here it goes. All right, so you will see that it's almost done blending. Just use a very strong blender. You will see this one is Akara. Yeah, so any strong blender at all, just go ahead and make use of it. Blend it until you can feel the seeds or the teeth here. So just keep blending it. You see, I blended this for like 5 minutes. Yeah, because if I'm done blending and I touch it, I still feel some kind of it's not as soft as I want. I go ahead and still blend. So here I was done blending. So I transferred to my bowl, and this is where I am going to whip it up. So you use either hand whisk, your mortar and pestle, or anything, but just keep whisking it until it is pale white or kind of doubles a little in size. So look at it now, you see how fluffy is looking. So this is where the whole magic happens. You have to keep turning and turning and turning. If you don't have hand mixer, please make use of mortar and pestle. Now I'm going to just scrape the sides, and when you are doing, please, you see, are you seeing the difference from where when we blended it and now? Look at it. So it has to, like, you incorporate air. Now we are going to fry. This is my oil, is already heated up. Now please let your oil not be too hot though, if not it's going to fry outside and won't fry on the inside. So I'm going to scoop as much as I can. You can, I'm just making them small, so if you are selling, you can mold in big quantities, but this is just for family use, so I was just scooping it small. So yeah, do your thing the way you want, and fry as much as you can. And also remember, you are doing deep frying, not shallow frying. Your oil has to be much. If your oil is more, it will not work. You will have a deflated akara. Yeah, so deep frying. Okay, so you will see that while you're even scooping, some are already getting done. Look at it, golden brown. Good. See this akara, is sweet die. Very, 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 very sweet. I'm not lying, Anytime I make this akara, I overeat. So once you have something like this, your akara is ready to be consumed with bread or pap or what, or with, they eat akara with beans. No, 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 no. So whatever works for you, just enjoy it with it. But we ate it with bread. I made bread, and yeah, we devoured it with fresh bread. So thank you for joining my akara akara class. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.